Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to the math class. In the last class, we have learned two methods of adding or subtracting lengths. That is different units. I think it was very easy. So I hope you all have understood the method. That is with conversion method and without conversion method. Correct? Okay. We have completed two chapters in maths. Now, let's go on a trip. What do you mean by trip? Yes, trip means tour, study tour or excursion. We have all participated in many study trips from our school, isn't it? Yes. Now we are all going on a trip together. Are you ready? Yes. We are going on this trip through our third chapter. So our next chapter, the third chapter is a trip to Bhopal. The children and teachers of a school are going on a trip to Bhopal. Bhopal is a place located in the state of Gujarat in India. Okay, through this journey, we come to understand many situations related to mathematics in our daily lives. This chapter discusses the next two important operations, that is multiplication and division. Okay, now let's go to Bhopal with them. Okay, so there are 210 children on this trip and they go by bus. Each bus can take 50 children. Then how many buses do they need to travel? One bus can take 50 children. That means each bus has 50 seats. 50. Each bus has 50 seats. And one bus can take 50 children. Okay, then how many buses do they need to travel? Yes, it is very simple. One bus can take 50 children. One bus. Okay, then two buses can take how many students? Yes, two buses can take 50 into 2. Okay, two buses can take 50 into 2. That is 100. 50 into equal to 100 children. Okay, then total 210 children are there. Now 3 buses can take 50 into 3. What is that? 50 into 3? Yes. It is very easy to multiply a 0-digit number. Okay. So just multiply the number. Here 5 into 2, 10. Then put the 0. Okay, put that 50 0 here. Then here the numbers are 5 and 3. Just multiply 5 into 3, 50. Then put the 0. So 150 is the answer. 150. That is easy multiplication. Okay. Now 3 buses can take 150 children. Then 4 buses can take how many children? Yes, 50 into 4. What is 50 into 4? Do like this. 50 into 4, 5 into 4. 5 into 4, 20. Then put the remaining 0. Okay. 50 has 1 0. Put that 0 after the product. So 200 children. So 4 buses can take 200 children. They needed 4 buses? Of course. Because there are 210 children. Okay. If they get 4 buses, 200 children will get seats. Okay, 200 children. If they get 4 buses, 200 children will get seats. Then only 10 children left without seats. Only 10 children. Total is 210. So only 10 children left without seats. Isn't it? Okay. Then we can't get another bus because only 10 children were left. So we can't get another bus. Clear? Then what we do? Yes, we can share the seats. We can share the seat. Only 10 children left. So we can share the seat. Here we solve one problem related to maths. So here we do the operation multiplication to find more numbers or more quantity. When we want to find more numbers or more quantity, we have to do the operation multiplication. Okay, clear? To find more quantity, do the operation multiplication. Clear? Okay, another example. One book contains 200 pages. One book contains 200 pages. Then, how many pages are there in 5 books? One book has 200 pages. One book has 200 pages. Then, how many pages? Find the total number of pages in 5 books. There are 5 books. Then, how many pages are there? What do you do? Yes, we have to multiply the numbers because we want to find more quantity. Here 1 is given and we want to find 5 more. Okay, then we can multiply the numbers. 200 into 5. One book has 200. So just multiply the numbers. 200 into 5. So what is 200 into 5? It is very easy to get the product. As I told you, just multiply the numbers 2 into 5. Here the numbers are 2 and 5. Just multiply. 2 into 5 is 10. Then 200 has 2 more zeros. So put that 2 zeros. So what's the answer? How many pages are there? 1000. So in 5 books, there are 1000 pages. Okay, clear? Okay, then one more example. A number of laddus in one packet is 20, 25. Okay, one packet has 25 laddus. One packet has 25 laddus. Then, how many laddus are there in 3 packets, 7 packets and 10 packets? Find the number of laddus in 3 packets, 7 packets and 10 packets. What will we do? Yes, we need to find more quantities. One quantity is given. One packet has 25 laddus. So, we want to find 3 packets. Okay, more quantity. So, we have to multiply the numbers. That is 25 into 3. Then you will get number of laddus in 3 packets. Just multiply 25 into 3. You will get number of laddus in 3 packets. Okay, what is 25 into 3? Which is equal to 75. Okay, then next number is 7. Number of laddus in 7 packets. 7 packets. Okay, so what we do? Yes, it is very easy to find the total number. Just multiply the numbers. 25 into 7. What is 25 into 7? Do you remember the multiplication? How will you multiply 2 numbers? Yes, first number 25. Below write the second number 7. Now start with 1's place. Multiply the numbers. First number 7 into 5. 35. So we write 5 only. Okay, then carry 3. 35. Balance 3. Carry over to the next number 3. Now next multiplication 7 into 2. What is 7 into 2? 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 3. 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay. So, 175 laddus are there in 7 packets. Okay. One packet has only 25 laddus and we found 3 packets. So, it has 75 laddus. 75, 25, 25, 25. 3 packets. Now, 7 packets contain 175 laddus. Clear? Now, how many laddus are there in 10 packets? It is very easy to calculate. 25 into 10. What is 25 into 10? Yes, easy multiplication. 10 is the number. So 25 into 10, 250. Okay. So this way you can find more quantities. Okay. One quantity is given. So we can find more quantities. Just multiply the numbers. Okay. Now, okay, come to the chapter. On the journey, two buses need to be refilled diesel on the way of travel. Okay, two buses need to be refilled diesel. So what we do? Okay, so from the petrol pump we can fill diesel. Okay, diesel or petrol. So this buses need diesel. Okay, so each bus has refilled 100 liters of petrol. Each bus has refilled with 100 liters of petrol. Okay, clear? Then the cost of 100 liters of petrol, diesel is given as 3,500. Cost of 100 liters of petrol. Each bus has refilled with 100 liters of petrol. Okay. Then the cost of 100 liters of petrol is 3,500 rupees. Okay. Then this is the cost of or the amount of 100 liters of diesel. Okay. Diesel. Then what is the cost of 1 liter of diesel? What is the amount of what is the price of 1 liter of diesel? Any idea? Can you guess the amount? How will you find the amount in 1 liter? Yes, here total is given 100. 100 liters of diesel cost rupees 3,500. Okay, we need to find only 1 liter of petrol. So, more quantity is given. Okay, total quantity is given. We have to find the quantity of one item only. One. Okay, so here we do the operation division. Okay, because here we need to find one quantity, one thing only. Okay, total is given 100. 100 liters of diesel cost rupees 3,500. Now, cost of 1 liter of petrol equal to, just divide the numbers. That is 3,500 divided by 100. 100 is given. 100 liters of diesel is given. Diesel cost is 3,500. So divide total cost by the given number. So 3,500 divided by 100. What is 3,500 divided by 100? Yes, we know the easy division. In the last chapter, conversion of kilometers into meters, we divide. Okay, just cancel the two zeros. Then you will get the answer. Divided by 100 means just cancel two zeros. So what is the cost of 1 liter of diesel? Yes, which is equal to 35 rupees. 35. 1 liter diesel cost 35 rupees only. Okay, clear? This is another type of problem. Here total quantity is given 100. 100 liters of diesel cost is given. And we have to find the cost of 1 liter diesel only. One thing. Okay. So from more quantity we have to find one quantity. And we apply division here. Okay. We do the division operation. Okay, in order to find more quantity, we have to multiply the numbers. Okay, clear? Is that clear? To find more quantities, we have to multiply the numbers. Here, we have to find one quantity only from total. Total is given in this question. So, from that total, we can find one quantity. It is very simple. Just divide the numbers. Okay. So, cost of 1 liter of diesel is 35 rupees. Okay, so you have to solve this type of problems in your daily life. Okay, you can face many situations like this. Okay, so you have to do the correct operation. Okay, okay, that's about this chapter. Now let's do some multiplication and division. Do you remember multiplication and division? The two operations. Multiplication, very simple. Okay, I think all of you know that. Now, two numbers. Any confusion in two numbers? Okay, let us discuss that in the online class. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Have a nice